Okay, hello everybody. My name is Victor, and I'm starting a new series on my YouTube channel. I'll be backtesting on FX replay, using my new trading strategy I've been using for around a month now. And yeah, let's jump right into it. Alright, so we're starting in April 2025. Let's just start on even the weekly time frame. It's usually just bullish every week. Let's wait for it to load. I'm gonna try to make the content pretty often if I can, because I am doing a lot these days, and um, well, trading wise, why do I have? Damn. Let me just clear drawings. Okay. Yeah. So on the daily chart, we had the price was at 22,200 a 2 months back, but it was just going downwards until we swept some of those highs. I can mark it out, I don't need to really, and then it's just been going up since then. It's pretty okay. What do we have here? Okay, this is Monday, right? Yeah, we have this fair value gap right here. I mean, I'm mostly using ICT concepts, to trade, and I'm trading on the 1 minute time frame, preferably 30-second, but we don't have it here on free FX replay. Okay, the 4 hour. Okay. Oh, we have another fair value gap here, right? And some equal lows. I mean, we just sweep this high from Friday. But I could see a manipulation downwards and then just continue to go up, because we do have lots of highs everywhere there, right? I don't know if there's anything down for us down there. Yeah, sure. In the 1 hour, do we have anything? This is the equal highs here. This is the equal highs here. Is it equal highs though? Not really. I mean, it is a bit. Okay. Oh, we do have a fair value gap here. Yeah, sure. Can mark it out. Why not? Every effigy is a effigy. It doesn't have to be that long, Okay. And then let's go into the 15-minute. We got some more. I mean, I probably don't have to mark this one out, right? I'll just mark this one. We just have some lows right here. This one, I don't know. I don't believe in that one, but why not? 5 minutes, pretty much the same. I think I'll need to pause for a second. O kurde, bez słuchawek mogę być. Dobra, hello. I'm back here. Oh, that's not it. Wait, is it working? Yeah. Okay, let's continue my analysis. Higher time frame. I mean, this is the 5 minute. There's nothing really to see here. Wait, let me just come back to the 15. Yeah, we did break those highs, right? So we could be probably bullish. I mean, bearish at the start. We can manipulate downwards. I wouldn't be so surprised. Yeah, I think everything is here. The 1 minute is here. We got some lows to be swept. Let's set this. This is 9 9:30 open, the New York session. I'm only trading New York with my strategy on Nasdaq, and yeah, let's start. Okay, look, price perfectly swept this low here. I mean, I can and then it manipulated higher. Just, oh damn, and it's down again. We broke a data high right here, and then we probably will just continue downwards. Yeah, damn. Yes, exactly. We broke these lows. I mean, I don't know how much lower can we go after this. I mean, there's no entry yet because I'm entering off of a inverse fair value gap. Well, let me just see. This is on the 15, right? Yeah, the 15, and on the, yeah, this is on the 1 hour, I think. Okay, these lows can be swept as well. Yeah, let's just see. Okay, we came back. Do I believe it? I think we might be able to sweep those lows and tap into this 1 hour fair value gap, but if not, it's also fine. Yeah, we tried to go down, but we didn't. Okay. There is a new fair value gap here in the 1 minute, but we just tapped it and we came back down again. Okay. Oh damn, the price is really choppy now, so that's not a good point to, not a good moment to trade. Okay, this kinda happens pretty rarely to just see the price do something like this for a few minutes in a row. Okay, and now we did manipulate downwards. Manipulate, yeah. And then see, we rejected off of these two fair value gaps. And I mean, wait, let me just see some higher time frame liquidities. Is it anything really here? I mean, this is the only one that we can target. There's a big gap, just we broke it. Yeah, I mean, it is pretty. It's like 400 ticks, so we're not gonna get there probably. Okay, so is it a good, because this was the fair value gap here, where I can kind of delete them. Sure, wait, I can make another one. I can make a different color, like this. Yeah, we just broke this fair value gap, inversed it, and if we were to enter here, the risk to reward wouldn't be so good actually. I mean, wait, I can see the, where is it? Yeah, I could set my, no, that doesn't, it's not really any good. Yeah, my stop is somewhere here, is fine, but like 0.6, 0.67, okay, let me just, 0.68 risk to reward is not good, really. I would need to see a retracement, and then, because this could have been just like a accumulation manipulation, like accumulation, then manipulation here, and this is the distribution, right? But I would need to see a retracement down first. Yeah, if I traded live, I could get a trade like here, maybe even to get a 1 point, just 1 to 1 risk to reward, and then I could enter here, but because this is a replay, I can't. So yeah, this would have been a win, a good trade for me if I traded live. I can just show it here. Like 0.93 doesn't really matter. Like if it's around 0.9 and 1, it's fine. But I'm not gonna enter off of this close because this is just not good enough for me. Yeah, let's just see what happens next. We still have this high to be. Nah, I don't. It's kind of hard to find an entry here, you know. It's pretty difficult. If yeah, that's the problem with not trading live. Yeah, like or not having the 30 seconds, because I would also love to trade on the 30 seconds, but I can't. Yeah, let's just click it again, and we made some fair value gaps down the way. Yeah, we tapped into one here. Let's see what's the reaction. Okay, we formed. Okay, that's another entry model. We wait for a retracement and the market to form a fair value gap to the downside, right? And then we wait for the price to, because I'm not gonna enter anywhere here because it's really like not that good, I think. Yeah, I mean I could wait somewhere here. Okay, we just went all the way down there. Okay, and then we close below the last. Okay, so I could theoretically enter here and then set my target here. But is it really good? The price has been moving down for a few minutes now. Let me just look at the higher time frames. I mean, we did break this for a while ago. Yeah, let me just. Let me just do this so it's like a clear one. This is the fair value gap I'm talking about. Um, We've got delivery. We broke liquidity there, and then this is next low we can target. Maybe that was the accumulation and manipulation. Yeah, sure, why not? I think it can be around 7 micros. Stop loss here. Let's just do 10, simpler. I'm not 100% sure yet. I want to take this trade. Let me just do one tick less than the, yeah, like around here. So I'm risking a bit more. Okay, sure. Let's make this trade. Yeah, and in about 2 minutes, I just realized my profits. Could I have entered earlier? I mean, the problem is that there's too many fair value gaps on the way, and every time price broke one, it tapped into another one. So it's kind of like you don't really know what to do. But in this example, we just really broke all of them. And also on the 5-minute, we broke it here, like it was a few minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, and we hit our take profit here. I mean, here also would have been taken. We don't really need to hold it. Maybe it will go down. Let's see. Yeah, it's still going down, but like this strategy revolves around inverse fair value gaps. That's the entry model, and then delivery. This was the liquidity sweep, and then came this is the classic V-shaped recovery, and then a draw. And I have these lows, these equal lows here, and then yeah, let's just look what price is gonna do. This is the 1 hour. Damn, why is it so big? The 1 hour fair value gap. So price might tap this and go higher. It might not. We don't really. Okay, we did sweep this low. So price maybe expected to go upwards again. Yeah, but still, it's too many fair value gaps there. Oh no, that's even worse. Yeah, let's just look what's gonna do. That's the problem. I can't really, you know, enter. Yeah, because we don't really know what it is gonna do after it breaks the price. Yeah, it's still, bro, what? The price is like moving too smoothly today. I can't even find any entries, you know, because we just broke this, another fair value gap, but there is no really an delivery, so I'm not gonna enter here. Yeah, price just moves up again. Yeah, we just tapped into another one again. We didn't though. I could enter maybe here. Let me just look at the higher time frames. I mean, we're still in this. Is there really any delivery? Yeah, there is delivery. We swept this high perfectly, manipulated upwards. But my strategy is not really based around because we don't know what the price is gonna do when it enters this another fair value gap actually. So I'm not gonna, yeah. If I enter here, I would just get stopped out in 1 minute. I don't wanna get that right. And now it's just chopping, so we have to wait. It is, look, it's making lower highs here, equal highs here, here, and also equal lows. So we are waiting for something to be swept. Yes, this just got swept and price just went up. There was no entry for me, sadly. Maybe on the 32nd there was. I don't really believe it. Yeah, we tapped into this. No, we didn't tap into this. Okay, that could be an entry for me. I could do like a short position. I mean, the problem is that the risk to reward is just not good enough. I could do it maybe to this low, but that's not really the strategy again. Yeah, I think I need to see some retracement first. Okay, wait. Yeah, I could enter here. Let me just think about it. We tapped into this. Did we really break it? We did. We're still in a downtrend. Let me just look at the 15 minute. Is this a good trade? My problem with this trade is we really just did sweep this liquidity, and I could see the price just going up. I don't know how to show it. Okay, that was not. Let me see how long the video has been on. Okay, 19 minutes. It's fair enough. Good for a trading session. Do I want to take this trade? I want to say yes, but it's just not enough confidence for me. Yeah, I would have won the trade, right? But I didn't take it. I need to like be better at just not taking the trades whenever I like can, for example. Yeah, we tapped into this fair value gap again. Okay, and we got this. I think now would have been it. Will be a good entry for me. Let's target this high and then fair value gap as well, and then I can even semi. Do I want to set it here or here? I just don't see it. I mean, like, I just can't do it like somewhere around here. Can't be bad. Okay. How many points? 18 points. Yeah, sure. I would wait for a retracement live. I wouldn't get it probably. Yeah, 2 minutes again, and win for me. So this is how the strategy actually just works. I haven't had that good of a day in a while. Maybe it's because I'm actually trying now. And is it gonna be the end for the session? I mean, I'm usually trying to trade till around 11, so 1.5 hours. And here again, we didn't have to sweep this because the price was already swept here. Like I can show you. This was price the low from Monday. And this is Monday still. Yeah, so that was a day's low. Was it? No, that wasn't. That was just some random low. And then we went up. We chopped a bit. Didn't find a trade here. Could have probably entered. Where was this trade I wanted to take? Here. Oh yeah, here. And then I would have won another trade, but I'm just, yeah, trying to keep it simple, yeah. We had two fair value gaps. We broke one and broke another, and we bounced off of this 1 hour fair value gap, and we had a clear draw to this untouched fair value gap. So we don't really know yet the price. Yeah, exactly. Like we don't know what's gonna happen when price enters this range, because it hasn't been here since these three candles. Yeah. Do I want to take a trade here? I mean, we did break this fair value gap. We didn't break this one. Just tapped it. Yeah, exactly. We tapped this. We went up again. It's another good entry there. But like for the 32nd again, I don't have this with me. Let me just see if there's anything else. Highly doubt it. There's some highs here to be swept though. Sadly, no fair value gap. Oh damn. Okay. Well, we have one here. We broke some highs. I mean some lows. Yeah. I mean we did break this now. Let me just see. Maybe there's something here. No, it's just whoa, yeah. Okay, this is another low. We broke it. It's just going down. I'm not gonna have any trade entries here. Okay, so that's gonna be it for me. 2 trades, 2 for 2. I'll document it in my docs probably later. What could have done? Okay, here that was it. I wasn't so sure about this trade, but it turned out well because this was the accumulation in the market, then there was the distribution, I mean manipulation and distribution downwards. That's the main point of the strategy, and we got delivery, we had a draw. I mean, I could have set my target here, that would have been better, but like it's really trying to like get around 1-to-1 risk reward. Even it can even be like 0.8, 0.9. And yeah, it's gonna be it. This was also a good trade, 2 for 2. On a 25k account, we realized almost 2% gain, which is really good in one day. I mean, that's not a real account. I'm just backtesting, but like, you know, still something. Yeah. And thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.